Hey everyone, summer is here and nobody wants to sweat in their car, right? Today I'm sharing 6 easy car AC maintenance tips that will help you keep your car cool, save money, and avoid costly repairs. Let's get started. Tip 1. Check your cabin air filter regularly. The cabin air filter cleans the air that comes through your AC system. If it's dirty or clogged, your AC won't blow cool air efficiently. Most filters should be replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, but check your car's manual for exact intervals. Tip 2. Run your AC regularly, even in winter. To keep your AC system healthy, run it for about 10 minutes once a week, even in colder months. This helps keep the compressor lubricated and prevents seals from drying out. Tip 3. Clean the AC vents and controls. Dust and dirt can block the vents and reduce airflow. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the vents and controls. It's a small step, but makes a big difference in how fresh the air feels. Tip 4. Check your refrigerant levels. If your AC isn't cooling properly, low refrigerant could be the problem. You can get a simple AC recharge kit from auto stores and add refrigerant yourself, but if you're not comfortable, a professional mechanic can help. Tip 5. Park in the shade or use a sunshade. Keeping your car out of direct sunlight or using a windshield sunshade reduces the cabin temperature drastically. This helps your AC cool the car faster and reduces strain on the system. Tip 6. Maintain your car's cooling system. Your engine cooling system works closely with your AC system. Make sure your radiator and cooling fans are working properly to prevent overheating, which can also affect your AC's performance. There you have it, 6 simple but effective tips to keep your car's AC running smoothly this summer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more car care tips. Stay cool and drive safe.